Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to download latest Windows 10 ISO image using Rufus tool. Open website rufus.ie and then download Rufus tool. Link available in this video description. Connect USB flash drive and open Rufus tool. If you select disk or ISO image from boot selection list, only the select button is visible on the right side. Click the settings button in the bottom of the page, third button from the left. Click the check for updates drop-down menu and select the option daily. If you want to include the beta version as well, select yes and include beta versions option. Click the close button. Then close the Rufus tool. Open Rufus again. Select the disk or ISO image option under the boot selection section. Click the down arrow button on the right side of the select and select the download option. Click the download button. Select Windows 10 in the drop-down list and click Continue. Under the Release section, select the Windows 10 ISO you want download and then click Continue. Select the edition what do you want to download, click Continue. Select the language of Windows 10, click Continue. Select the operating system architecture, then click on Download. Select the location to save the Windows 10 ISO file. It will start downloading. After the download, the ISO image is automatically added to the boot section. Click the Start button to create the installation media. When you finish the process, click Close pop-up window and close Rufus tool. Once you complete the steps, you can use the bootable USB flash drive to install Windows 10. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.